please like and subscribe so you can get notified when I have more videos upcoming. And leave a comment if you want to see a specific topic. I can go over that. Hi again. Thanks for coming back to our little math review tutorial sessions. Alright, this next one is going to be dealing with multi-step equations with two variables, normally x and y. We have a previous video, I don't know if you've seen it. If you want a refresher on multi-step equations, you can check out the previous video about that topic. It will be linked over here. Alright, so let's get started with today. So today is multi-step equations. I type this out, make that a little bigger font for us. That should be big. Okay, so multi-step equations with two variables. Alright, so normally this is the two main variables is going to be x and y. These are just the standards we use in algebra. In other things they may change, like a and b, something of that sort, but x and y are the standards for algebra. The interesting thing that most people don't like about math is that it builds on itself. So, like a previous video was single step, two step, and then multi-step equations. Those all had one variable. Now we have multi-step with two. Alright, so these things are mostly they're just called linear functions. They just mean lines. These just means a line. Linear, that's all that means, is line. Function is just an equation. So these are equations of lines. They may not always be in a nice form. So most of the time you're going to see something like this, like 2x plus 4y equals 7. Something random. And we want to solve these for y. Whenever we're dealing with like a linear function, it's always going to be in the form y equals. That's where we want to get to. Alright, so let's look at this one. Again, this is going to be a multi-step, means there may be more than one step. So let me just copy this so I get more room. Okay. Alright, so first step, we want to solve for y. So I want to get this 4y all by itself. Well, there's this positive 2x next to it. I want to get rid of that. I want to move that to the other side. So just like we need to subtract it, we need to do the opposite of what's there. So 2x minus 2x plus 4y equals 7 minus 2x. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other, just so we stay balanced. Okay, so that is 0, so that's just 4y, that's all by itself now. And the 7 minus 2x, those are not like terms, so I cannot do anything. I'm going to put the letter first because it looks nicer that way. Okay, so that's step 1, getting the y value by itself. Now I need to get the y itself. There's this 4 in front. I need to move that. This is multiplication, so I have to divide both sides by 4. Another way of writing that is multiplying by a quarter. So I'm going to multiply both sides by a quarter. So 1 divided by 4 times 4 times y equals this whole side times a quarter. So it's negative 2x plus 7. Okay. Okay. So 1/4 times 4, well, that's just 1, so it's just y equals. Okay. Now we go into the distributive property. This 1/4 is going to multiply by the negative 2 and the positive 7. Alright, so that's going to be negative 2 over 4 x plus 7 over 4. Alright. Now this could be an answer. However, in most cases, we want what's called the simplest form. It means take any fraction and make it as small as possible. Alright, so let's look at these ones individually. 2 over 4. Well, I know that 4 is 2 times 2. And 2 is 2 times 1. So I can divide both of these by a 2, giving me 1/2 x. Alright, let's try the same thing with 7 over 4. Well, 7 is a prime number. It's only factors 1 and 7. And 4 does not share any of those besides 1, so this one cannot be reduced. So that's just 7 over 4. Alright. So that is, I'm going to highlight that answer for us, is how we solve for a linear function. Now sometimes they give you this form straight out. They actually do other things for it, but we'll cover that in a different video. Again, thank you for joining me for this. Please like and subscribe so you can get notified when I have more videos upcoming. And leave a comment if you want to see a specific topic. I can go over that.